countertop demo of XL North cleanup. So all you need is a cup of water. I usually put it in a red cup, but for this demo I'll put it in a clear glass. I'll tint the water with just a bit of coffee and a spoonful of XL cleanup. Now you can give it a stir if you'd like, or as you can see in the demo, it's pretty quick reacting. This is a great demo to be used at the countertop for guys that do tile and grout work, or any type of application where the slurry cannot be poured down the drain. So within seconds, you take a liquid and you make it a solid. Now this can be put down into the trash.